Welcome back. If you're tired of taking pain pills for chronic health problems, we may have a good solution for you today. It's a less invasive treatment for everything from back pain to migraines. And here to talk about it, Wade Meyer with Inviting Conversations and Caroline Reagh of RN Medical and Q Laser Products. Welcome.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming. You know, Wade, as we get older, the conversations turn to pain somewhere in your back, in your knees, in the joints. It's tough getting older.
And unfortunately, a lot of people simply turn to pain pills, acetaminophen or Vicodin or things like this. And so the reliance on pills for relieving pain is increasing in our society and is becoming a very concerning health risk. And so I asked Caroline to come join us because she wants to talk about something that is less invasive than just popping pills to alleviate pain, which just eliminates a symptom but doesn't necessarily address the real problem.
That's right. And Caroline, talk to us about Q Laser Products. This is low-level laser therapy.
Yes,
what
it's
is that?
low-level laser light therapy. It's non-invasive. What it does is it stimulates the cell activity. Our human body is made up of cells, and as we age or we have an injury or an ailment, the cells can die if they don't get that proper energy.
Okay.
So the laser actually infuses those cells with energy so that the flow of energy can react naturally throughout the body to promote healing. So it's a natural form of healing with light.
And it's a very small device. You have it here, and you've actually used it?
Oh, absolutely. I had chronic pain for 15 years, and this is the first thing that I've been able to find to alleviate my pain. I was taking drugs. I did all kinds of therapies, visits to the doctor that were very costly, and you know, I had all kinds of problems with acetaminophen, which is the #1 cause of liver failure in the U.S. And this, I found relief within 3 minutes of using this.
3 minutes?
Yeah. Now, some people it may take 3 minutes of 5 sessions at a time, depending on your level of pain. But for the first time in my life, I'm not having to deal with chronic pain, which is just completely freeing.
And there are a lot of different ailments that this can help. I was reading the list, but maybe we can go over some of them to share with people, and among them depression, I read.
Well, yeah, Dr. Lytle developed this for 15 years. Lasers have been around a long time, but this is the first laser for in-home use.
Okay.
And the thing is, because it works at the cellular level, it can treat a multitude of ailments. But the important thing is that the FDA has recently approved it for osteoarthritis of the hand. It can be used on a multitude of ailments.
Okay. So we're talking about really kind of any pain we might have in the body.
Right.
We mentioned migraines, which is a
Right.
big thing for people. Obviously, the back pain is
Yes,
one of the
neck
#1
and back pain.
pains you can
Yeah.
have.
Many doctors are using this now for a multitude of problems. Sports medicine, estheticians are actually using it because it regenerates cells in the skin, helps with wrinkles, acne. There's just so many applications, and we also, in the summer, are planning on getting FDA approval for type 2 diabetes.
Wow.
Which would just be amazing, because you literally put it on the site of the pancreas, and it helps the pancreas produce insulin naturally, which is pretty remarkable.
And I know we have people's attention that this is something that can work, but the next question would be, is it safe? Because it's new, people might be a little skeptical,
Right.
and tell us about the science behind whether this is safe or not.
Okay, well, because it's FDA approved, it has to go through a number of clinical studies. We have over 3,000 clinical studies to prove the efficacy and safety of this product. It's not just testimonials, these are clinical studies. So the FDA will not approve it unless you have the scientific evidence to back up the product. The other thing is that this is going to be FDA approved for wound care and high blood pressure, hopefully
wow.
this summer.
Oh, excellent.
And you're not feeling anything, right?
Oh, no, not at all.
Yeah.
This is good. This is wonderful.
So this is different than traditional treatments, because traditional treatments may take you with a whole lot of drugs or even surgery.
Oh, absolutely.
And obviously those are very invasive
Yes,
procedures.
not to mention costly, time-consuming, because it's so easy to use. You can sit in front of your TV and just, zap yourself whenever you have a problem. You take it with you on a plane. You can take it. I mean, it's just absolutely amazing how you can take control of your health in your own home.
That's why light has so much power. So we're using it in
Absolutely.
a different way. And Wade, I know that this is an interesting thing for people to talk about because this is a great solution.
And as someone who's had a sprained ACL and has a family history of arthritis, it is certainly worth looking at from my own health perspective, because the idea of constantly relying on pills down the road is just not something that I really look forward to.
I know. Well, Wade Meyer from Inviting Conversations, thanks for being with us. Caroline Reagh, thanks so much
Thank
for being
you.
with us and
hoping to
showing us.
change the quality of life for people and to get better health.
It's very
So,
exciting. And for more information about Inviting Conversations, you can go to invitingconversations.com. And to find out more about Q laser treatment, which we've explained today, go to rnmedical.com, or for a free information packet, call 1-888-524-8801. Stay with us, more Ohio and Companies ahead.